Hello, you've received this video tutorial link because you've been asked to reaffirm the prerequisites or co-requisites for your courses. This is Anna Hanlon, the Curriculum Chair at Orange Coast College. I'm going to take you through the process, and then if you have any additional questions, you can contact me and we'll address them specifically. Let's go ahead and jump into the form that we're asking you to complete. First, you'll need to identify, is the course a prerequisite, a co-requisite? If it's an advisory, you don't need to complete this form. Advisories do not block student registration. You will indicate the title of the course that you're asking the prerequisite to be added to, and then after the content review is completed, if the prerequisite is appropriate, you'll list the prerequisite name here. Now, as you continue, you'll notice that some prerequisites don't require content review and some do. If the course is a closely related lecture lab pairing, if the prerequisite is required by statutory need or regulation, or if the prerequisite is required by a four-year institution or part of a CID template, you do not need to complete content review. Simply indicate with the boxes on the far right, submit the form, and you're done. However, if your course falls into any of these categories, you will need to complete a content review. If it's a sequence of courses, written expression, health safety, or other. Moving on, prerequisites need to be offered with frequency so that students can complete them and enter the primary or target course. Therefore, we want you to indicate the number of sections that are offered each semester. You can use the schedule of classes to find this information. Next, you'll need to go to the content review itself. This is a two-step process, and first you'll identify the required skills for the target or primary course. So here in the matrix, we ask for the required skills and concepts, we ask for specific outcomes or objectives, and assignments. In terms of assignments, these need to be assignments that are offered by all sections of the course, not instructor-specific assignments. Complete the grid, and once that's done, you can scroll down to the prerequisite course grid. This should not be a simple copy and paste from the grid above. Please thoughtfully consider the required skills and concepts that the student will get from completing the prerequisite or co-requisite course. List the outcomes or objectives from the prerequisite course that are necessary in the targeted course, and then any assignments that are required across all course sections. Once you complete this, simply email the form to myself, and I will take it to the curriculum committee for approval. We will also upload these in Curricunet, so you don't need to deal with that at all. Please email me if you have any questions. Thank you.